Hello everyone and good morning. I'm Rose Jacobs live with you from Kalkine studio in Sydney and you're watching the early trades. Let's get started with our market open report. The S&P ASX 200 is sharply lower today, dropping 2.12% despite crossing above its 200-day moving average. The bottom performing stocks in this index are Life360 down by 10.38% and Virgin Money down by 8.79%. Over the last 5 days, the index has lost 3.04% and 2.08% over the last 52 weeks. Let's take a look at some of the stocks making a buzz today in the opening session of the ASX. News Corporation today reported financial results for the quarter that ended on March 31st, 2022. The report highlighted that the company's revenue in the quarter was $2.49 billion, a record for third quarter revenue and a 7% increase compared to $2.34 billion in the prior year. The company saw their net income in the quarter move to $104 million at an 8% increase compared to $96 million in the prior year. Moreover, news media continued to benefit from the rebound in the advertising market, new content licensing revenues and strong digital subscriber gains. Western Gold Resources provided an update on 2022 exploration drilling program at Gold Duke project, which commenced in early March. To date, 75 holes for 6,414 metres across the Joiners Find, Eagle and Brilliant prospects have been completed, and first assays from this drilling are expected in the second half of May. With all approvals already in place and an existing rig on site, Western Gold Resources have decided to extend their drilling program to explore to the highly prospective Wren and Gold King prospects. A further 77 holes for 4,637 metres are planned to be drilled across both deposits. Arcadia Minerals, the diversified exploration company targeting a suite of projects aimed at tantalum, lithium, nickel, copper and gold in Namibia, announced that Snowden Optiro has provided the company with an independent geological report, which consists of a revision of a mineral resource estimate announced by the company on 23rd of September 2021 for the company's 80% owned Swanson Tantalum exploration project situated in Tantalite Valley in Namibia. Moho Resources provided the results of an assessment of historical geochemical assay data at the Black Swan South Nickel prospect 4 kilometres south of the Silver Swan Nickel mine and approximately 40 kilometres northeast of Kalgoorlie, Western Australia. The Black Swan South Nickel prospect is a zone of ultramafic rocks identified from historical drilling south of the Silver Swan Nickel mine. The prospect is associated with a prominent elliptical-shaped magnetic anomaly, approximately 600 metres long and bound on its western side by an interpreted major northwest trending structure. Atomos today provided an update on recent trading activity and the response to recent new product and cloud services launches. The update included that demand for existing and recently released cloud-enabled products provides a strong foundation for financial year 2023. However, near-term revenue is now expected to be $80 to $90 million. The company's recent new product and cloud services launches have been met with exceptional reviews and multiple awards at the NAB trade show. Moreover, the company believes renewed and accelerated promotional activities may see Atomos outperform new guidance. Well, that's all for now on the early trades. Stay tuned to Kalkine TV as we have many more shows lined up for you, sharing live updates across the economy, markets and sectors. I'm Rose Jacobs, signing off for now.